Did you know the CMX10-DL's advanced time-corrected gain feature makes it much easier to measure attenuative or noisy materials? In this video, we will cover how to use the time-corrected gain feature in ramp and curve mode, enable and understand Backwall Echo suppression. The time-corrected gain feature can be found under the TCG tab on the main measurement page. Here you can select ramp or curve. The ramp option within the settings determines how many decibels of gain you want to increase per microsecond. This will increase the orange trace on screen, demonstrating a visual identifier of the TCG overlay. The start value can also be changed to delay when TCG takes effect. Curve TCG is a more advanced, non-linear method of applying time-corrected gain and works by increasing the gain of specific regions. You can then make additional windows and create gain shift curves. You can also use the Auto 80 function to increase the gain to 80% screen size. Backwall suppression enables on-screen monitoring of backwall signal amplitude. A drop in backwall amplitude indicates an issue, useful in composite inspections and many other materials. To find out more about the Dakota CMX10-DL full wave capture thickness gauge, click the link on screen, and don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos.